Up for sale today, we got a 63 Lincoln Continental Convertible, actually previously owned by Michael Williams of the Tennessee State Senate. So we have the license plate that goes with it, so you get that when you get the car. Factory black tan top, white walls. Previous owner of 15 years, long time maintained by a Ford, Edsel, Lincoln technician of the area, and everything works. All the windows, they all go up and down, even the triangle ones here. All the lights work. The top goes up and down as it should. Factory tan interior. It's got a nice look to it. Popular color combination of the black and tan. The convertible top is tan. I'll show you a video of that going up. Power windows, power brakes. 63 Lincoln Continental Convertible. It'll be for sale soon on eBay and on my website, NextGenClassicCars.com. Check it out. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, or if you just want to see some cool cars and watch some videos, check them out. I appreciate those who subscribe, those who like the videos. There is like a chip here you can kind of see that's been touched up. So thanks for watching. I'll show you the top going up now, and then the driving video. So stay tuned. This is so cool. This is actually my first time seeing this happen. And the very nice condition tan top. I'll let you know. All right.